Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick get ready with me hair and some light makeup. So I'm going to be putting on a wig today, and the wig that I'm going to be using is from Wowebony. It is, a nice little 360 wig, but since I can't braid, I'm just going to slap all my hair under this nude skin tone colored wig cap, and I'm gonna put my wig on that is already washed. I cut the lace, I added an elastic band and all that good stuff. So the wig I have is a 360 lace wig, and I'm just showing you what it looked like right out the package because of course me styling it and putting it on, it's already been done up. I didn't do anything to the hairline. This came pre-plucked. All I did was bleach my knots, and then I ended up having to go back over the knots because I over bleached them, but that's neither here nor there. This is wig style numbers on the screen. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix up my wig and shut up. Water just so I can move the hair and not frizz it up any more than it already is. And then I'm going back in with some Got To Be gel because I did use edge control at first, but the hair just kept sticking up. It wasn't laying, so I had to go in with some reinforcement. So that's all I'm doing. And you guys, wearing these lace frontals when your hairline is really low like mine can be tricky. You don't want to do too much because then it'll just look fake, and we don't want that. So now we're gonna go in with some skincare. I did already wash my face, that's why I was looking so crusty in the beginning. So all I'm doing is applying some serum, and then I'm gonna follow up with my moisturizer. Our makeup today is like minimal makeup. You guys ask all the time. This is literally what I do every day. Like, I never wear makeup. This is all I do is make sure my skin is moisturized and juicy and hydrated, and then I'll just of course fill in my eyebrows, throw on some mascara, a little bit of highlight here and there, and I'll wear a gloss or a lipstick depending on how I'm feeling. But today's a gloss day, but I'm getting ahead of myself because we're just at highlighter right now. And what I like to do when I'm not when my skin doesn't have anything on it is I'll go in with a damp beauty blender, a mini one at that, and I'll just dab my highlighter, and then I'll dab it into my skin because that just gives you this radiant, like you just been in the sun glow, and I love that. So that's what we're doing, and pretty much everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not doing anything out the ordinary. You guys, this Fenty Gloss Bomb is still my go-to lip gloss. I love the applicator. I could just rub this on my lips all day. And if you haven't tried anything from her line, get the Gloss Bomb, okay? It's bomb. After I dance and put my lip gloss on, we're gonna go back into this hair. I'm just gonna show you guys the length. I do have 20 inches and this hair is so soft. It's so pretty. Look at me posing and stuff. Hey girl. So this is where it falls on me, you guys. This hair it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna show you length. You know, mine's a little frizzy because I've been running my fingers through it and stuff. And then I want to show you what the lace looks like up close. All I did was bleach the knots. I didn't do anything else. And yeah, that's my sneaky fingers because I actually have one to give away. This is the exact wig that I'm wearing on my head in this box. Well, it's not the one on my head. It's, you know what I mean. So I'm going to be giving away this wig to one of you guys. And you know, I just want to show my appreciation because I love you so much and I appreciate all the love you guys give. So I want to give you, you know, a wig like mine. So yeah, just leave me a sweet comment down below and I'll pick the winner. I'll pick the winner in like a week. I'm just showing you everything that's in this box, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.